I just love Sunday dinner, so let's make some smothered turkey wings. So a couple of years ago, I shared a video of me making smothered turkey, and y'all have been asking for the recipe ever since. So I thought I would come on here and give you what you've been asking for. Today we're gonna go through a very detailed recipe on how to make my smothered turkey. And of course, you can get the full written recipe on nateskitchen.com. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is chop up your bell peppers, onion, and garlic. I feel like bell pepper, onion, and garlic goes well in any baked dish that you're doing, whether it's spaghetti, baked chicken, turkey legs, whatever it is. I really feel like bell pepper, onion, and garlic really takes the dish to the next level. And of course, it has your house smelling really good too. Now for these bell peppers, I'm just gonna slice them like this. You can definitely chop it into a smaller size if you want, but I like it sliced like this. I feel like it gives the dish a prettier look. It doesn't, change how it tastes overall. It's just all about preference. Okay, so now that we're done prepping the veggies, go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Okay, so right here we've got my seasoning blend. I put the details in the description so you can learn how to make this at home. All right, we're gonna go ahead and season this. Add all of the seasoning and rub it in. Make sure you rub the seasoning into every crevice. We don't want to miss any part of the turkey. Okay, now we're just gonna go in with our vegetables, starting off with the garlic, go in with our bell peppers. So right here we've got our chicken broth, and I'm gonna pour in the cream of chicken soup into the chicken broth. And we're gonna whisk it and make it into just one concoction. I don't know why I say concoction. My mama always says concoction, and now I'm just picking up her lingo. When my mama says concoction, it makes me feel like she's like a mad scientist whipping up something. This is how we're gonna get that creamy, smothered texture for our turkey. This is the texture you're going for, so once it gets to this, we're gonna go ahead and pour it over our turkey. I like to make use of everything, so we're gonna go ahead and add a little water to this can and just swish it around so we can get the remainder of that condensed soup out, just like that. All right, now we're gonna cover this and pop it in the oven for an hour, and I'll see you back here after. Alright y'all, the smothered turkey wings are done, and it has the house smelling so good. Let's see how tender it is. Oh, wow, look at that. I mean, it's falling off the bone, y'all. Look at that. It's tender, I can't even pick it up. It's all over the place, falling off the bone. I hope this recipe was super straightforward. You can find the full recipe on nateskitchen.com. I'm gonna have step-by-step photos and instructions so you can get this same outcome in your kitchen.